Yeah, hello everybody, and today we'll talk about this method, the override redirect. What is it? It's a method, a Tkinter method that allows you to remove the Tkinter window title bar and customize it, fully customize, put in your custom exit buttons, custom minimize button if you want, and custom icon bitmaps. Let me just show you in the code how it looks. So you can see that I have a simple blank up here with the next button but without the title bar. What allowed me to do that is this method here that the over redirect method that I put it through. Let me comment it out and you can see that I have a window here with a with a title, root title, which is the main window, which is right in here, main window. And if I remove this, comment it out, you'll see that the main dot window title will disappear, and as well as these buttons here, exit button, maximize and minimize button, as well as this maximize button and this minimize button. The exit button is still. If you run again, you can see that it disappears. So the code we'll need to do that is this stuff here. If I comment it out, you can see that I have a normal window that I can drag it back. If I try to put root.over redirect equals to true without a root geometry in here, you can see that we'll have an exit button right here. If we don't have an exit button, let me just show you here. Let me remove this peg. Let me remove the geometry comment here and make it a little bit wider to be able to work with it. And now you can see that we have a little bit wider window in which you still cannot drag it because we didn't call the function yet. Pack the button again and uncomment this thing. Now here we can denominate it as a drag function. Let me just call it drag for you to better understand it. And here we'll call drag. If we don't call this drag here, okay, we create a drag function in here, but if we don't call it, we still cannot use it. What helps you to drag the window that you remove, the untitled window, is the drag function that you call by writing root.bind b1 motion, which the motion you make here. Let me just save the file. Which the motion you make here with the mouse button one motion, with the mouse button one motion, it's the B1 motion, button one motion. And here we have a drag function, so that every time we click the button one and the mouse, which is the left mouse button, and move it around, it will drag the main window. And in order to drag the main window, we need to call this function, the drag function, in here. Okay, let us say you don't want to remove your title bar, but you just want it to make unresizable. You can do it by typing root. Yeah, let me delete this thing. You can use it by typing root.resizable. Resizable true. Let me just put over redirect. Remove the over redirect. You can see that we have a resizable function here that allows us to resize, which is the same thing as putting nothing in it. But if we put it false in one of these truths here, like if we put false for this one, it will be for false. It will be the width. The width will be unresizable, but the height will still be resizable. You can only resize the height of it. You cannot resize the width or the axis of it. If we put both false, you can neither resize the width nor the height. You can see that the maximize button is totally disabled. There is one more thing that you can use in here, but you probably won't need it, which is root.attributes tool function. Now tool window equals true, which will give you only one button. What do we put in here? Attributes, double T in here. Tool function, tool window. You can see that we have a single exit in here, which is the same thing that I did in the last video talking about top levels, and the video may appear in the corners right here in your window. And that's pretty much it for this video, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.